What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today marks my first cooking episode back in the new shack, and boy am I excited to be cooking again. Today we're going to be cooking up some spicy honey glazed ribs using some sriracha, honey, A1 sauce, and some S&S spices. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. We got the rack of ribs here. I've already removed the membrane on it. Going to go ahead and sprinkle on our sriracha. Now we're going to go ahead and put on some Saints and Sinners Sweet Heat. The sriracha definitely puts on a nice layer of heat. You can definitely smell the spices on it. Now the Saints and Sinners got a definite coat of paprika on it. Black pepper, garlic. Next we're going to go with our Cajun spice, which is the Bayou Boogie. Got some onion powder, garlic powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and let these marinate for a minute while I get the grill up to temp. We're looking at a temp of about 275. The family showed up. That's Noel. That's Rudolph. That's Mama Caesar. That's Yule. And that's Valentine way over there, trying to hide. And pull them now. Just look at that. Nice color. Nice pullback. Going to go ahead and wrap them now. Now we're going to go ahead and get our ribs ready to be wrapped. Going to go ahead and lay down a nice little layer of squeezed butter. Some brown sugar. Gonna lay the ribs on top. Now on this side here, we're going to go ahead and put a little layer of A1. Don't worry, we're going to hit it up again with a little bit of A12. Now we're going to go ahead and make the sauce. First we're going to pour in a couple tablespoons of our A1 sauce. Next, a couple tablespoons of our sriracha. Well, about a tablespoon of sriracha. Now, some honey. About 2 tablespoons. And we're going to go ahead and mix that around. Now it's time to go ahead and put on our sauce. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap our ribs. Oh, they're looking so good. Just look at that. We're going to go ahead and let this go ahead and cook now for the next hour. And here we have it. Our ribs are nicely cooked. Got a nice dark brown hue to it. Let's go ahead and cut off one. Got a nice little smoke ring right up top here. Let's go in for our taste test. Now the NASCAR season past my house is over with, we can finally move on to that taste test. There we go. Perfect bite. You got the heat of that sriracha right off the bat. Can't miss it. Then you got the smoothness of that honey, mellowing it out. These ribs taste oh so good. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.